Welcome to Pharmagen DRX. For daily new pharma and life science job updates, you need to follow and subscribe Pharmagen DRX. Today we came with a new job opportunity from GSK. The job role is the GRA Apprentice and the job location is in Bengaluru, India, and this is the full-time job under the regulatory affairs. So I'm coming one by one about the job role and how can apply for this job role and who are eligible for this job role. So first, GRA Apprentice is the Global Regulatory Affairs Apprentice, and I told that this is the location is in Bangalore. So in the job description about the GRA Apprentice, the education needed Pharm. So Pharm candidate can apply for this job role, and the work mode is the hybrid. 8 to 12 days of work from office every month is mandatory. So this is the hybrid mean work from home also as well as for the work from office, and at least you should do the 8 to 12 days work from office every month, that is mandatory. So minimum level of job related experience required 0 to 2 years of relevant industry experience. So freshers can apply for this job role. Freshers are eligible for this job role as well as the experienced candidate also can apply for this job role. So the minimum level of job related experience required 0 to 2 years of relevant industry experience, and pharmaceutical industry experience like the drug safety, regulatory, clinical development, medical affairs. That is, if you have, then you will get the extra advantage to get this job. So if you have any experience related to the drug safety, regulatory, clinical development, so you will get the extra advantage. And extensive knowledge of global regulatory process. So you should know about the regulatory process, how to apply and where need to apply, how to file the document, everything you need to know. Working knowledge of key pharmacovigilance regulation and methodologies. So if you have any experience in pharmacovigilance, that is also you give an extra advantage for this job. Good English language skill, written and verbal, and ability to evaluate data and draw conclusion with appropriate guidance from senior team members or manager, good attention to detail, good interpersonal presentation, service oriented attitude, computer proficiency, good level of flexibility. So if you have the experience in regulatory affairs or you are freshers, you can apply for this job role, but you should have the knowledge related to the medical affairs, drug safety, pharmacovigilance and regulatory affairs. So this is a suitable job for the freshers. So how you can apply for this job role? Just you need to click on the apply now button. After clicking on the apply now button, there will be open one page where you need to do the sign in. After completing the sign in, there will be option start your application, use my last application, autofill with resume or apply manually. So you can click on the apply manually or apply with LinkedIn, anything you can apply, and there will be some information you need to put there, and that information you need to put your information, experience, application question and voluntary disclosure and review. After that your application will be submitted, and if your resume will be selected, then you can get the call from the GSK, and this is a great opportunity from GSK. Follow and subscribe Pharmagen DRX for daily new pharma and life science job updates.